What is up, Matthew Squad? Today, again, we will be playing with my Nerf gun. 4 bullets in each. Let's get started. Hang on, guys. I did that. One did not go fully down, so I am gonna. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's. Alright. You got to see my big mega. It's not mega, but it's pretty good. Full one to be. And it's pretty good too. Alright, you saw 1, 2, 3. Alright, we only have 3 now. We're gonna use 1 more. Alright, guys. We are gonna be using, found the 4th one, my small one. So, alright. Guys, this one's too small. I'm gonna be using another one. Because this one didn't work, I'm just gonna throw it. Alright, let me go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me go get. Oh, Kitty. Hi, buddy. Alright. Right, we have 3. Alright. Shut off 4. 1 more. Roll 2. Alright. My red one. Are you ready, guys? Kitty, move. Was not aiming at the cat. I was trying to aim at you guys, so I didn't miss the cat. Alright. Got all 4. I have to shoot it out right here because I didn't want to hit the cat. Well, he was right there. Hey, baby. I love you. Come here. Come say hi. Hey, buddies. Come say hi. Come say hi. Alright. get another one shooter. Whoops. Two, three. The fourth one is right here. Got it. The cat had to run down the stairs. Alright. My favorite color, guys, as you probably know already, green. Ready, guys? You have seen my green one, and peace out.